What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we've got Tavarish, we've got Shmee 150, and we've got even Kevin Malli, and also we've even found two new channels for me to discuss on today's podcast as well. So here we go. Hey there, guys, how are you doing? Thank you very much for joining me today on another podcast on 5-Star Cars, where we just basically chat about some of your favorite car YouTubers and give you my thoughts on my favorite parts of the videos. And I'm not news, just basically a podcast, and sometimes we bring on other car YouTubers for podcasts as well. We are able to get a project car, and we're able to do vlogs, but we'll do a bit of everything on this channel. So if that's the kind of stuff you like to see and want to get involved in the channel, love to have you here. If you want to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment below. Great to hear from you. I love chatting to you guys in the comments below. And that's what we get up to here. So as I said, guys, today we are going to be covering two new people, car problems and more. Was it more than cars? They are two new channels I found. We'll be covering Tavarish, the 675Lt, and basically stuff like that. Nearly every day, guys, I do try to post 1 p.m. UK and Irish time. That is basically 6 a.m. West Coast, 9 a.m. on the East Coast. So when you get up for breakfast, something to watch. Guys, if you have any small car YouTuber suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you know anybody who'd be interested in coming on the channel to the podcast to chat for like half an hour, 45 minutes. It's something I really want to do. Drop the names below. I will hit them up. I have emailed a few more people. I've emailed the guy on More Than Cars and also the guy on Car Problems. So hopefully we can get him on the channel for some car chat, on the podcast, and it would be great. Guys, what you're here for today is we're going to get into today's episode. First off the bat is Tavarish has started his rebuild on the 675Lt. Thank Mother of God. I'm so excited for this build. I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for this build. If you follow Tavarish, as you know, any of the new subscribers, my favorite channels are rebuild channels. I just love watching these guys go through, finding what's wrong with the car and having to replace them and coming up with ideas how to fix the car. And Tavarish has got a lot on his hands. This one, guys, it's going to be some build. I mean, just the list is a bit, it's a lot, and it's going to be very expensive for him. Rear subframe damage, front subframe damage, carbon fiber tub is damaged. What else is one of the engine mounts is broken after coming off as well. The list it's a lot. There's a lot of work that's going to this car. I'm just in my head, I'm wondering how much is he paying in parts for this car? Does it outweigh what he's going to make for doing in the videos? He's got to pump out these videos a lot to make sure he gets it. But guys, I can't wait for this build. Let me know in the comments below what you think he's going to do with this build. In my own eyes, is he going to keep it the same colour or spray it? I think he's going to probably keep it stock. Maybe he might try and get some extra power with the engine. I don't know. Or if he can. Will he do any mods to it? Not too sure. I'm sure he just wants to get it back to the way it is. But let me know in the comments below if you think what you think he's going to do to it, and if you're excited for the build itself. It's been a long time coming. I think it was in February he posted it when he got the car, and very happy he got it. Moving on to number 2 on our list, Shmee 150 has just released a video a while ago where he is covering the Novitec Evo. Very interesting one as well. The mods that they did on it. A few bits of carbon fiber, just 2 cuts on the bonnet on the front of it. It's not too bad. Just here's a quick clip of the car itself.
And that whole carbon engine bay cover, we'll go through all of this in detail in a moment. But the Huraan Evo, I mean, it's a monster of a car, already significantly up on the previous generation. It shares the engine from the Performante, which means it has 640 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. That's going to be parked up here alongside the Novitec Pista as well.
yeah, guys, what you think of the mods on it? I'm not getting the slits in the front of the bonnet. I don't really get it. The front bumper looks amazing with the carbon fibre. It looks like, correct me if I'm wrong, but aren't those wheels the ones that are off the SDJ? I'm pretty sure they are, and they look really dope. I would have went probably with a light gold, a lighter gold for the wheels with the white. Just white and gold is like one of my favourite combinations. Yeah, I think it's a stock exhaust, but still pretty sick. I'm surprised with Novitec because I'm pretty sure they have an exhaust system out for it, but I'm not too sure. Shmee 150 killing it as always. Like, you know, he always gets like the sickest of cars to review when he does it. I wish I had the kind of car access he does over here. Again, guys, you know, we don't have any supercars where I'm from in Limerick and Ireland. If we did, I'd be trying my best to be getting a hold of them. But yeah, Shmee 150 killing it. Again, guys, all the links for these videos in the description below. It'd be interesting to see. He did get his MA competition BMW, so I must check that out as well for you. But let me know what you think of the car below for the Novitec basically Huraan Evo. Moving on to the next on our list is one of the new people I have found, and he's a guy actually from Ontario in Canada. Car Problems. He basically, I've stumbled across his channel, and my god, like I'm so happy I did. First of all, because I lived in Toronto for 4 years. And I only moved back literally not even coming up to a year now. Yeah, a year next month I'll be back home in Ireland. But I would love to move back there. I really miss Toronto. But yeah, he's over there, and he's got some sick cars. He's got a Alfa Romeo 4C in yellow, but it doesn't have the headlights like the ones they have in the UK. I don't know why. He's also got an AMG, Mercedes AMG. I don't know if it's a GT. Presuming it's a GT. I'm not too sure. I haven't checked. And he has a Huracan Performante as well. And one of the things about this is the video that I watched was he actually got a really cool lift in his garage to put in, and I think it cost him in total nearly $4,000 maybe, or $3,000. I can't remember the exact price. Link in the description below. It looks like a really nifty lift if you want to compact like your cars into your garage. If somebody's interested or looking for one, again, guys, it looks pretty useful, like, and well worth the money. It's something I would definitely invest in if I had the cars to do it. But his channel is really good. Like, you know, one of his other videos, he's talking about problems he's been having with the Huracan and sending him off under warranty to get him fixed. And the car was going into limp mode, and they said it's because it has an aftermarket exhaust, but it was going into limp mode before the exhaust was put on. And it looks like Lamborghini over in Italy in headquarters are trying to wiggle their way out of it, which is not nice. But yeah, cool new channel. I'm definitely going to cover this guy more. Really, he does it as a side kind of channel, as a hobby, but he's got some sick collection of cars. Hopefully we can get him on the channel. I will try my best, and be interesting to talk to him about his cars and his channel as well. Next on the list, guys, is Kalvin Malli. If you're looking for another rebuild to, you know, you need something to watch to burn away some time. If you haven't seen this guy, he's really good. He has a 300ZX, and he's currently in the phase of wrapping it and fixing up a few bits and pieces. It's got a 2JZ in the engine. He's basically, the part I watched there was he molded in the rear spoiler, but the wrap is coming out really well. He's going white on the wrap. Again, he's white wheels. I know, but I would rather if he had some light gold wheels on it. I love this project. This guy does incredible work. I mean, insane. Like, he's so talented to what he does. He can wrap, he can spray, mod, engine drops, the whole lot. Insanely good channel. You know, I definitely love watching him, and if you need something to binge on for his 300ZX, definitely go over there and check him out. Last but not least on the list, guys, More Than Cars, another channel I not stumbled across, but I was watching the Car Wow vid with the drag race with the Pista and the 720S and the Aventador. And this guy owns basically the Aventador, I think, and he owns the Pista, and he owns one of my favorite color Pistas ever. This is a liquid wrap pista. He got it liquid wrap in that purple with the yellow stripes on it. The yellow stripes are from an Aston Martin. And my god, this thing is bloody gorgeous. I'd love to chat to him about his car. He does a lot of his videos. He does a lot of videos of insight into his cars. He did a video about what happened in the Car World drag race, which was very, very interesting. About, he was saying why the Pista lost the 720S. Rumours are abound that the 720S has a lot more power than what they're saying it does. And just like his collection of cars, again, guys, unbelievable. Another guy I would love to get onto the channel and pick his brain about chatting about his channel and his cars. But for me, definitely one of the sickest pieces out there. Hopefully he does more content with it. And yeah, I think it's going. I think he's talking about getting a 675Lt when it comes out as well. So that would be interesting to see, you know, because obviously that's going to be a more track focused car. But yeah, guys, if you need some channels to check out, you know, some new ones to look into, more than cars and car problems, the two new ones I found for you. Hopefully it'll give you something to, you know, for some entertainment to binge on. And that's everything for today. So, guys, comment below. Let me know, you know, what's been going on or who you want me to check out or any videos. And any of the videos I've covered today, it'd be great to hear from you. And I will definitely have probably another video out tomorrow. So if you watched to the end, thank you very much for checking out the channel. Hope you'll subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you. So, it's the end. Peace out wherever you are in the world, guys. I shall chat to you tomorrow, and bye.